Hi, Elena. What are you doing over there? Are you looking for the cat? She's not in her bed. She's not in there. Oh yeah, that's her toy. Oops. Nice job standing up. You want to go give the cat her toy? Go give the cat her toy. Oh, you want to put it in there? Oh, there's the cat. Are you going to give her her toy? No, thanks for putting that back. I think the cat might want to play with it later. What do you have in there? Your cup is empty. Hey, Elena, who's in your tent? Who's inside your tent? Do you want to go look and see? Go see who's in your tent. Who's in there? Uh-oh, you dropped your cup. That's okay. Who's in the tent? Who's in there? Oh, who's in the tent? Is your cat in there? Where's your cat? Yeah, there's your cat. Give your cat a kiss. Oh, you're going to give your cat a hug? Can you give your cat a kiss? Go, mwah. Oh, thank you. You're going to knock me down again. Ah! Hey, Elena. Elena. Can you throw a kiss to Mama? Throw me a kiss. Go. Mwah. Come on, throw me a kiss. Throw a kiss to the camera. Throw a kiss to Grandma and Grandpa. Let's see those teeth. Ah! Okay, you can sit up. Elena, go like this. Mwah. You're not going to throw me a kiss? Who's that? Is that the cat? Okay, I'll turn the camera off now. Can you say bye-bye to the camera? Say bye-bye to the camera. Right here, Elena. Hey, look over here. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera.